Yeah, what of it?
Tire tread!
Get the away from me! Get out of my face! Do something! Get out of my...
Car driver overtook the bikers in such an aggressive way that they decided to chase him.
What the f is wrong with him?
But here's the twist. A random car driver also joined in and helped them stop the reckless driver.
Mate, I have it on camera.
Mate, that means you took a wrong turn, that's why. He still doesn't want you drive.
You're sorry, but you shouldn't do it on the road.
You knock her off, you kill her, you understand that?
Okay, my bad. I'm sorry.
I don't care if you're sorry, it's on the camera.
I'm sorry.
Yeah, it's on camera, we're going to get your plates. Get his plates.
You can
Got a
get my
baby in the
sorry.
car.
I'm
Just,
sorry, mate. Yeah.
you want to get to the hospital?
I really need to go.
Yeah, you're not making
I don't care if you need to go.
do that, then it wouldn't have happened, would it?
Apologise.
Just
Apologise.
fucking
I
chill out.
apologise.
No hard feelings, yeah, but seriously, dodge it again, yeah?
Sorry.
Don't do that again.
Seriously, dodge it
Are
again.
you alright?
Yeah, I'm fine.
You alright?
You just pissed me off, you know.
Yeah, I know.
A rider got mad at a driver who tried to open his car door in the middle of the road.
I'm getting off my bike. The door? You want to open the door on me? You want to die, bro? You want to die? What you open your door for?
Yeah, I was gonna throw something out of the window and then I saw you.
No, you opened the goddamn door. I have it on camera, mother.
Well, don't what you driving down the middle.
You you. Dick.
Sometimes drivers actually accept their mistakes, and that's exactly what this guy did.
What are you doing? Dude, you just pulled right out in front of me.
That's my fault. I apologize.
You didn't even look.
I'm sorry. I really am sorry. I apologize.
Dude.
Okay? I did not see you.
Scared the shit out of me.
You're right. You're right. I really am. I'm very sorry that I didn't see you. I am very truly sorry.
Please just make sure you stop and look.
I'm sorry.
Thank you.
Always try to avoid riding on edge of the road.
I think it's the same thing that happened last time.
We're good. 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 Yep, we're good. You go, buddy? We're good. 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 Oh, we're good. You got it?
Luckily, the rider was safe and nothing worse happened. In another shocking incident, a rider angrily confronted a driver, accusing them of hitting him from behind. Pay close attention to the car's number plate. It seems to change before and after the rider dismounts.
What are you doing? You just fucking hit me.
I have 1 meter distance.
You just
I
hit
have 1
me.
meter.
Why'd you just hit me?
I have 1 meter distance. I was just second one camera.
When you put the finger on us, you
Just second one
You were
camera.
this close to me. You can't be that close. You
I
gotta be
have
further
1
away.
meter. I have 1 meter distance.
Okay, pull over, man. I want your insurance information. Well, I have no damage to my bike. Your car's got a little bit of damage. You want to come look? See if it's okay?
because you put
I have 1 meter distance. So
But you hit me.
finger on us.
Yes, because you're so close. You were this close.
like going on.
We're not
Are you okay? Your car's okay? Yeah, okay, whatever.
Tell me in the comments who was at the fault here. A street fight broke out when a rider argued with a driver, claiming they hadn't checked their mirrors properly.
Use the fucking mirrors, dickhead. Use your mirror. Use your mirror, you
kid.
You fucking lied on.
We're in this lane.
I see you.
We were in this lane, you kid.
Fucking lied on, you cockhead.
Yeah, what?
Don't make a fucking scene of this.
What?
Cunt. I'll knock you off your fucking jump on your head, head. Right?
Alrighty, yeah.
Don't make a fucking scene, cunt, right?
You cut in front of us. You need to talk my mate
Well,
out.
you fucking lied on, cunt.
What do you mean? Use your mirror,
You know
dickhead.
what? You know what? You're supposed to have this on, kid.
It is on.
Put the fucking thing on.
It is on.
Or I will run over you next time.
It is
cunt.
on, kid.
What, cunt?
I said it is on.
What?
It is on.
What'd you say?
I said it is on, kid. Yeah, what of it?
Hey. Come on, cunt, get off your bike.
This heated exchange serves as a stark reminder. Resolving conflicts calmly is crucial. Road rage only leads to more danger. A van driver passed a cyclist dangerously close, nearly causing a collision. What started as a close call quickly spiraled into a heated confrontation between the two.
Give me more distance, dude! What the are you doing? Come over into this lane and pass me
in the middle of the road.
with a full
I'm
fucking
literally
lane.
in the middle of the road 'cause you're
You
in the
gave
middle
me
of the road.
this space.
You need to learn how to ride the road, bro.
I got a card that explains the law. I am allowed to ride on the road.
I don't want nothing
You're
from you.
required to give me 3 feet when you pass me.
Dude, you're riding in the middle of the road on a bike,
I was
bro.
on the road.
lane driving.
I was on the
I don't
right
give a fuck,
tire
bro.
tread.
I'm working, bro.
I was
you're
on
out
the
here doing
right
some
tire.
weird
It
shit,
does
dude.
not matter if you're working. That does not give you an
Dude,
excuse
leave me
to
alone,
break the
bro. Get
fucking
away
law.
from me. Back up. I'm not
Do
breaking
not
the law.
break the law.
Dude, I'm not breaking the law.
did.
You're the one riding in the middle of the road.
I was on the right tire tread.
Get the
I
away
was
from
in
me.
the right
Get out of my
fucking tire
face.
tread.
Do something. Get out of my
tire tread, dude. Take this.
I don't want that, bro. Where's your license plate at?
I don't have a plate. It's a bicycle.
Road.
Because I have the legal right to be on the road.
Get away from me, man. Bro, you need to take your litter. You need to put it back where your stuff is, okay? And you need to leave me alone. You're harassing me, bro, and I don't like it. Okay, thank you. I'll be right there. Hey, I don't want you.
You can find the video online, dude.
An elderly man recklessly runs a stop sign, nearly colliding with a motorcyclist. At the next light, he takes an alarming turn, stepping out of his car wielding an axe.
What's wrong with you, dumbass motherfucker, dude? What are you doing, dude?
Say it again, please. Put
Dude.
your finger out at me again. You're doing 60 miles an hour. You're gonna kill somebody,
No,
you
I
dumbass.
just sped
you
up.
are a dumb fuck.
Sped up
Slow
because you
down.
pulled down in front of me.
Slow down.
You pulled out straight in front of me, bro.
You've gone too fast.
You pulled out straight in front of me.
Go slower.
I sped up to move around you. Stupid ass. Swear to God.
A bicyclist furiously confronts a bus driver for allegedly failing to stop for him.
You fat wanker. Was that your fat prick?
Sorry?
What the was that?
What was what, mate?
Because you clearly see me pull out.
Sorry?
I'm coming up the road, you clearly pulled in front of me. What about?
There's loads of space.
Why do you have to slam my brakes on then? It's on film, son.
There's loads of space.
If there's loads of space, why did I have to brake?
Mate, there was loads of space.
If there was space, why did I have to brake?
Calm yourself.
You're the one stood under the bus, are
You
you?
didn't go under the bus, did you?
Yeah, not because of you, because of me.
No, because there was loads
You
of space.
We'll see what the police say and your boss says then. Your number,
Mate,
your bus number, your employee number.
you don't need it.
But was the bus driver really at fault? Share your thoughts below.
Why are you flipping me off, man?
Tensions rise as a group of people angrily confronts a motorcyclist for lane splitting. Stick around until the end. It's a moment of satisfaction you won't want to miss.
What's the deal?
Hold on a second, hold on. Stop. Why'd you flip me off?
I didn't flip you off, she did. It doesn't matter who flipped you.
Okay, you were coming to a stop. You were slowing down. You didn't have your turn signal on to go around. I'm sorry?
Do you know the motorcyclist, the cars, 2 car lengths? You don't want somebody behind you in a car to have 2 car lengths? You gave us.
I was nowhere anywhere close to you.
Bullshit.
No. You were coming to a stop. I have the right to come to a stop behind you. I gave you plenty of room and I passed you legally.
Dude, I wanted you to have enough space.
I had enough space.
No, you didn't.
Yes, I did.
No, you didn't.
Regardless of what you think, don't flip somebody off while they pass you. If I wasn't a nice guy, you wouldn't have a mirror on your car anymore.
And if I wasn't a nice guy, somebody would be scraping you.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Ground.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I didn't realize. I didn't realize.
Don't f***ing play.
I didn't realize. I'm sorry. Google your license plate. You'll be on YouTube tonight.
Okay.
Dumbass.
You piece of
Oh, I'm such a piece of shit. I'm such a piece of shit. Look at me. I'm a piece of shit. You're as stupid as you are ugly.
In this clip, a motorcyclist becomes furious at a driver for failing to yield. But as the scene unfolds, it raises the question, who was truly at fault?
Why did you brake? I was stopping.
You just ran into me!
I stopped so you could keep going and you pressed on your brake, or your press, or your acceleration.
You don't f***ing turn when traffic's going straight!
I apologize.
You're lucky I don't f***ing knock you the f*** out!
I apologize. I stopped. It wasn't. I did not mean to do that. I stopped. I apologize. I stopped.
If someone's going straight, you don't f***ing turn!
I noticed my mistake and I stopped. Let's pull over. Let's pull over.
I ain't got no damage to my shit, but smashed the f out of my foot.
I apologize.
It's all good.
I'm sorry.
Just watch out, alright?
Dude, I'm so sorry.
It's all good. My stuff's good.
A heart-stopping moment as a motorcyclist loses control, resulting in a terrifying crash.
Oh God, oh God.
A sobering reminder of how quickly things can go wrong on the road. A reckless car driver veers dangerously toward a motorcyclist, creating a potentially catastrophic situation.
What the f, man? What the f? You f***ing idiot! Use your eyes! Jesus Christ, man! You need to use your eyes. Get aggressive. I could have died.
I'm really sorry I didn't see you. I used to ride a motorbike, so I really didn't see you. I'm really sorry.
And now my heart's going quite fast. I thought I was going to crash on the bridge.
I'm really sorry I
Right, well, it's all right. Just next time, try and use your mirrors, right? Next time, use your mirrors.
I do use my mirrors.
Just,
I've been driving for 35 years.
I know, turn your head as well. Just double check, you know. Because we're out there, motorbikes are out there, you never know.
I swear to God, I turn my head. Because I always do. I used to ride a motorbike, so I am aware. So I do apologise. I'm really sorry.
I know, I almost got hit yesterday as well.
I'm really, really sorry. Seriously.
Just, if you're unsure, double check, you know, just turn your head and...
I will do, honestly. But I'm really, really sorry. As I say, I used to ride a bike before, so I am aware.
Aye. Just watch out next time, yeah? Yeah, it's alright, just... Yeah.
Did I actually hit you?
No. I'm shook up a bit, but... Just... Yeah, I'm okay. Right, no bother, just check next time, yeah? Jesus Christ.
In another display of dangerous driving, a car cuts off a biker in a reckless maneuver. The biker, however, takes justice into his own hands, delivering a bold response by smashing the driver's mirror.
Thanks for that pass, jackass. Hey. Dude, the camera right here. Try it. Try it. Got your license plate. Right here. Right here. It's all right here. It's all right here.
A cyclist attempts to cross a blind corner, infuriating a motorcyclist.
It'd be highly advisable if you don't cross on a blind corner. It doesn't matter, it's a blind corner. I could be going the speed limit and you could be right there. Cross over there. If I would have hit you, it would have been your fault. That would have been your fault. It doesn't matter. I don't care if you're a medicine or not. Cross on the right side. Go over there and go around. Go over there and go around. Yeah, kiss it. I hope you.
Was this a case of poor judgment or an overreaction?
Huh? Oh, really?
So are you?
Oh, I don't know. Is there?
I'm asking you.
I don't know. I don't know, do you?
It says it on signs, right? No motorized vehicles.
Right there?
It says it, yes.
I think that's a no swimming sign for
It
here.
says it all over the park.
Oh, for real? Anyways, I'm out.
Are you?
A man lashes out at a group of riders, claiming their loud motorcycles disturb the peace. A clash between lifestyles and noise ensues.
We live right next door.
What's the matter? Look, it's too late. The noise is too annoying.
You guys, why are you filming us?
What's the matter? Can I call the cops on you?
Go ahead.
Do this at the daytime.
Okay. You know that's illegal, right?
It's not illegal.
We're in public property. You can't film.
This is not public property. This is a private property.
Exactly. So you can't film on private.
Here. I'm the manager here.
All right.
Okay.
That concludes today's video. Let these incidents serve as reminders of the importance of skill, awareness, and responsibility when riding. If you found this video insightful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more thrilling content. Stay safe and see you in the next one.